Let's make fish stew. Season fish with salt and pepper. Mix the fish. Deep fry the fishes. Let's prepare the paste for the stew. You will need fresh tomatoes and tomato paste. Add garlic. Add cumin seeds. Add dried red chili. Add onion. When onion changes color, add the paste. Add salt and allow to cook. When the oil separates means it's ready. Pour water. Allow to simmer and add the fried fishes. Garnish with thyme, curry leaves, coriander, and green onions. Serve hot.